Good morning, my dear 5th semester mechanical students. I have already derived coefficient of performance for Bell-Coleman cycle. You know that Bell-Coleman cycle is nothing but reversed Brayton cycle or reversed Joule cycle. Here air is used as the working medium. Now I will solve 1 to 2 problems. In problem number 1, in a refrigeration plant working on Bell-Coleman cycle, air is compressed to 5 bar from 1 bar. Initial temperature is 10 degree centigrade. After compression, the air is cooled up to 20 degree centigrade in a cooler before expanding back to pressure of 1 bar. Determine coefficient of performance of the plant and net refrigerating effect. Take Cp is equal to 1.005 kilojoule per kg degree Kelvin and Cv, that means specific heat at constant volume, is equal to 0.718 kilojoule per kg degree Kelvin. First of all, data given. P2 is equal to P3 is equal to 5 bar. P1 is equal to P4 is equal to 1 bar. It has been shown on the pressure volume diagram and this is the temperature entropy diagram. Here T1 is equal to 10 degree centigrade is equal to 10 degree 10 plus 273 is equal to 283 degree Kelvin. Then T2 is equal to 20 degree centigrade is equal to 20 plus 273 is equal to 293 degree Kelvin. This is the pressure volume diagram. This is the adiabatic or isentropic compression. This is the constant pressure process from T2 to 3. This is the 3 to 4 is equal to isentropic expansion process and 4 to 1 is the constant pressure process. Cp is equal to 1.005 kilojoule per kg degree Kelvin. It is given. Cv is equal to 0.718 kilojoule per kg degree Kelvin. It is given. In the question, the refrigerating plant working on Bell-Coleman cycle has been shown on the pressure volume and temperature entropy diagram. We know that gamma is equal to isentropic or adiabatic index is equal to Cp by Cv, that is specific heat at a constant pressure and specific heat at a constant volume is equal to 1.005 divided by 0.18 is equal to 1.4. For isentropic compression process, that is 1-2. In the pressure volume diagram, 1-2 is equal to isentropic compression of gas. That we know that T2 by T1 is equal to P2 by P1 to the power gamma minus 1 by gamma, or but P2 is equal to 5 divided by 1 to the power 1.4 minus 1 by 1.4 is equal to 5 to the power 0.4 by 1.4 is equal to 5 to the power 0.284 is equal to 1.584. That means T2 by T1 is equal to 1.584. Now for isentropic expansion process, that is from 3 dash to 4, T3 by T4, T3 by T4 is equal to P3 by P4 to the power gamma minus 1 by gamma, but is equal to 5 by 1 to the power 1.4 minus 1 by 1.4. That means T3 by T4 is equal to P3 by P4 is equal to gamma minus 1 by gamma is equal to 5 by 1 to the power 1.4 minus 1 by 1.4. Here P3 is equal to P2, but P2 is equal to P3 is equal to 5, P1 is equal to P4, that is 1. Putting all the values, we have T3 by T4 is equal to 5 by 1 to the power 1.4 minus 1 by 1.4 is equal to 5 to the power 0.286 is equal to 1.584, or T3 by T4 is equal to 1.584, or T3 into 1.584 is equal to T3. Therefore, T4 is equal to T3 by 1.584, but T3 is equal to 2983 given, but T4 is equal to T3 by 1.584 is equal to 293 divided by 1.584 is equal to 185 degree Kelvin. That means T4 is equal to 185 degree Kelvin. We know that the theoretical coefficient of performance of the plant is given by the formula COP is equal to T4 by T3 minus T4. Putting all the values is equal to T4 is equal to 185 divided by 293 minus 185 is equal to 185 divided by 108 is equal to 1.713. That is coefficient of performance is equal to 1.713. Second, bit 2. What is bit 2? Net refrigerating effect, that is within bracket heat absorbed during constant pressure process 4-1 is equal to formula Cp within bracket T1 minus T4. It is the net refrigerating effect. Putting all the values, Cp is equal to 1.005, T1 is equal to 283 minus T4 is equal to 185 is equal to 1.005 into 98 is equal to 98.5 kilojoule per kg. Next, I will be solve another problem. Problem number 2. A refrigerator working on Bell-Coleman cycle operates between pressure limits of 1.05 bar and 8.5 bar. Air is drawn from the cold chamber at 10 degree centigrade, compressed, and then it is cooled to 30 degree centigrade before entering the expansion cylinder. The expansion and compression follows the law P v to the power 1.3 is equal to constant. Determine the theoretical coefficient of performance of the system. Data given. Here P1 is equal to P4. P1 is equal to P4 is equal to 1.05 bar. Then P2 is equal to P3 is equal to 8.5 bar. Then initial temperature T1 is equal to 10 degree centigrade. You know that 0 degree centigrade is equal to 273 Kelvin. Therefore, T1 is equal to 10 degree centigrade is equal to 10 plus 273 is equal to 283 Kelvin. Then T3 is equal to 30 degree centigrade is equal to 30 plus 273 is equal to 303 degree Kelvin. N is equal to polytropic index is equal to 1.3. You know that adiabatic index is equal to gamma is equal to 1.4, but it is less than 1.4. Therefore, N is equal to 1.3 given. The pressure volume and temperature entropy diagram. This is the pressure volume and the temperature entropy diagram for a refrigerator working on the Bell-Coleman cycle has been shown in the diagram. Let T2 is equal to temperature of air at the end of expansion, compression. T4 temperature of air at the end of expansion process. Since the compression and expansion of the follows the law P v to the power 1.3 is equal to constant. Here this is the polytropic index. Here N is equal to 1.3. Therefore, T2 by T1 is equal to P2 by P1 to the power N minus 1 by N. Putting all the values, P2 is equal to 8.5, P1 is equal to 1.05 to the power 1.3 minus 1 divided by 1.3 is equal to 8.0.231, that is 1.62. Therefore, T2 by T1 is equal to 1.62. T2 is equal to T1 into 1.62. But T1 is equal to 283 given. 283 into 1.62 is equal to 458.5 degree Kelvin. Similarly, T3 by T4 is equal to P3 by P4 to the power N minus 1 by N. But P3 is equal to 8.5, and P4 is equal to 1.05. Therefore, putting all the values, we have 8.5 by 1.05 is to the power 1.3 minus 1 by 1.3, because n is equal to 1.3. We have 1.62, or T4 is equal to T3 by 1.62, but T3 is equal to 303. Therefore, T4 is equal to 303 divided by 1.62 is equal to 187 degree Kelvin. We know that theoretical coefficient of performance is given by T1 minus T4 divided by n minus 1 into gamma minus 1 by gamma within bracket T2 minus T3 minus T1 minus T4. Then putting all the values, we have 283 minus 187 divided by 1.3 divided by 1.3 minus 1 into gamma 1.4 minus 1 divided by 1.4 within bracket T2 is equal to 458.5 minus 303 minus T1 minus T4 is equal to 283 minus 187 is equal to 96 divided by 1.24 into 55.8 is equal to 1.3. This is the coefficient of performance of the Bell-Coleman cycle. Next class, I will start second part. Thank you.